What is up guys? In this video I'm going to share with you 10 passive income ways with which you can easily make $1,000 or even more per month, and all of the business models are completely very much simple, and even if you know nothing, still you can start them. You can simply learn about them. But before that, if you want 100% free training to go from 0 to $10,000 in sales, selling other people's products, starting from scratch, then click the link in the description and get access to the free training right now. It's completely free training, and after that training you will be able to go from 0 to $10,000. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So we are simply going to dive into this video, and the first method that I want to share with you is the affiliate marketing. You might be thinking it's a crazy business model, but how you are going to get the passive income from this business model? Let me tell you something that for example, in the affiliate marketing, you are going to sell other people's products in return for a commission. You might have heard the software called ClickFunnels, okay? And in the ClickFunnels you are going to get paid 40% commission. So there they have two pricing. One of them is of $100 and another one is of $300. So now if you are going to sell the one ClickFunnels account, which is of $100, then you will be keep on getting $40 every single month till the guy is going to cancel the ClickFunnels account. So you have only sold the ClickFunnels account once, but you will be keep on getting the money again and again and again and again. And as the business of that guy will keep on growing, he will keep on spending money, and he might buy the $300 account. Okay, so now you will start getting the $120 every single month, but you only sold a guy who was paying $400 and you were getting only $40. You can really think, because there are some of the things, like for example, if you are going to refer an autoresponder. Okay, generally there are for example, you are going to in the beginning that guy is only paying $15 and you are getting just like kind of maybe you are only getting like $3 to $5, something like that, because that's only 30% commission. So you are going to get paid $4 or $5. Okay, so now if you are going to that much money, just $5, it's really not a big deal. But as the guy will be keep on growing, his list will be keep on growing, he will be paying from $15 to $30. Your commission will get double. You have done nothing at all. You have only added the guy when he was paying $15. Okay, so now he will keep on paying $100, $200, and even in some cases he will be paying $1,000, $2,000, maybe $5,000. So now $5,000 and you are getting $1,500 every single month. Just think about it. You have only referred to a guy who was paying $15. So that is how the affiliate marketing works, and that is how it will help you to get the passive income. It will help you to build up the residual income. For example, you can also sell the membership sites, in which they are going to learn something. Okay, and they are going to pay the monthly price. Okay, and also in some cases if they are going to do any upsell, okay, so you are also going to earn money from them. So that is also kind of extra passive income, because once you have done the started affiliate marketing, as you are making $10,000 to $20,000 every single month. Okay, so after you are going to leave the affiliate marketing, you will still keep on getting some kind of commission for years and years to come. So that is how affiliate marketing works, and I really think that you can easily make $1,000 every single month with this. So now the second passive income method that I want to share with you is the email marketing. Okay, so it's kind of whether you have an e-commerce store, you have affiliate marketing business, you have info products, it really does not matter, because email marketing is way more essential. Okay, so how you can for example, you have collected an email list of 10,000 people. Oh yeah, you might be thinking 10,000 is a really big number. It's not really. Okay, so let's say you have grabbed a list of 10,000 people. So now let's say you just need to email to them, and let's say only 1% of the people are going to buy. That means 100 people are going to buy $100 product. Boom, you have made over $10,000 with just one email. Just think about it, $10,000 with one email. And even you just need to shoot the email once. Okay, and you will be making money while you are sleeping. Maybe you have emailed before going to the bed at 10 p.m. Okay, and when you wake up in the morning at 6, you might have found that, oh, it's 10 grand, I haven't done anything, just email once to my email list. and that may be a recurring offer like selling maybe it's ClickFunnels account, and you will be keep on making $5,000 every single month from that single email. And if you have added that as an autoresponder, the more and more the emails will be coming, the more and more money you will be making. So that is an extra thing you can think of. Email marketing is way more powerful when it comes to kind of the passive income. Okay, just think about it, how it can actually change your whole business. Because I have seen that e-commerce which are having literally hundreds and thousands of visitors every single month, you have an email list of 100,000 members or even more, but they are not even emailing to their list. They are leaving at least half of their money on the table. If they are making 100 grand per month, they can easily make 200 grand per month. Just think about it, how it can dramatically change your business. So now we are moving to the third passive income method, that is selling the info products. But how? You need to create the info products. You see, because in the case of the physical products, you have to keep on manufacturing the products. But in the case of the info products, the SaaS companies, SaaS means software as a service. Because once you have built the info products, you have created the info products, you have created the software, you do not need to create that software again and again. You can simply copy them. Okay, you can hire a guy, you just need to upload that course and you can simply sell the membership. That's so easy. And what you can do in order to drive the traffic, you can simply figure out what ad is working for you, and you can simply keep on running the ad every single day. And when you will be sleeping, you may be making more money than while you are awake and you can spend. Just think about it. You just need to create the product once every 6 months. Just find out what is working for you. Just keep on running the ad. Just let the ad retarget itself. A lot of things you can simply do. You can even hire the guys who will run the ads for you, and you will be banking the profits. So that is how this info products passive income works. And I really think making $1,000 is really not a big deal. You are selling $100 product, you have you can simply run ads and can easily make 10 sales. Okay, so now the fourth way that I want to share with you is the YouTube. YouTube is really, guys, way more powerful. Okay, so how you can see that, let's say you have uploaded 10 videos on YouTube. Okay, 10 videos, and now in each of the 10 video you have recommended a Amazon book. You have recommended an Amazon book. And now if someone is, while you are sleeping, someone is going to watch the YouTube video, and he's going to click the link in the description and will buy the book. You will keep on getting the commission till the video will be there. You might be doing some other work, you might be sleeping, you might be going somewhere else, it really does not matter, but the cash is totally going in your pocket. Okay, just think about it, how powerful YouTube is. You just need to put the video once, and you will be keep on making money till the YouTube video is there, and it will be there till the YouTube is keep on going and going. Okay, so now the fifth way that I want to share with you is the AdSense. I really do not consider as AdSense as a big one, but people are really making a lot of money with the AdSense. Okay, I really do not recommend that you should have only this source as a passive income source, but you can simply add this up as well, because you have a YouTube channel, you have a blog, you can also add the affiliate products, and on the YouTube you have simply ads running. And if you are making extra 10-20 grand every single year from the YouTube money, then it's really not a big deal, because it's really good, because you are making the money, you are doing nothing, you have just enabled the ads on your YouTube video, and you are simply making an extra 10 grand every single year. That's going to be around kind of 800, 900, or maybe $1,000. So that's, I think that it's really not an extra thing where you need to do anything, because once you have put up the video, your video will be there, the ads will be there, they will be coming automatically, the video will be going and going, and you will be having the money coming in. So now the sixth method that I want to share with you is the flipper. Basically, how the flipper can help you. There are a lot of ways, but today I'm going to only share with you one way. On the flipper you can buy a ton of websites. Some websites are having like 1,000 visitors per day, some are having zero visitors. So what you can do actually on the flipper, you can go there and start buying websites. You can buy the website which are making $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 every single day. and you can simply buy the website. You can, if you want, you can simply upgrade the website with the help of, you can hire a guy to do that, or you can also hire a guy to manage that website. Because the website is already making money, you can easily keep on making the passive income, because now you have also hired the guy to update the website, to add the articles, to just start ranking the articles, to upgrade the, to add affiliate offers, to change the AdSense, something like that. You can easily make money on passive income, because you have purchased a website on which there is already a traffic, and you can set up some guys who will be taking care of that website, and you can simply pay the money to them, and the rest of the profit will be in your pocket. That is also completely passive. So now the seventh way that I want to share with is the Kindle. Basically, with the Kindle, it's so easy. What you can do, you can simply create an ebook. And once you have created an ebook, you can simply upload that book to the Kindle. And once you have uploaded, you will be keep on getting the sales, because the Kindle book will be there for lifetime. And the Amazon is having millions of customers. So you will be keep on getting the sales, because the once you have got a, you have uploaded a good book, and you have done some of the marketing in the early days, so your video will start seeing as a bestseller, not a bestseller, but can it be like most recommended. Because like, if an Kindle ebook is going to sell for a kind of, for let's say you have published an ebook, and in the first 7 days you are going to make it to 1,000 sales, maybe 100 sales, so then the Amazon will start recommending that book, and you will be keep on getting the sales even when you are sleeping, doing anything. Because the only thing matters over here, you need to do some effort, you need to upload an ebook, you need to create an ebook, you need to send them to Kindle, and that's it. Because the customer base is there. If your book is good and you have done a little bit marketing in the early days, and you can also hire some guys to do that marketing. But ultimately, if your book is good and if you have done the little bit marketing in the early days, then you will be start making money from that. You if you have 100 books, you can easily make like $1,000. Or maybe you can also publish one book every week. In a month you will be having in a year you will be having 52 weeks, and they will be you in a year you will be having 52 books. That means that will be creating an extra income source, and that will be completely passive. Okay, so now the eighth method that I want to share with you is the affiliates. Let's say you have an info product, but you are just promoting it yourself. So what you can do, you can contact with another affiliate marketers, you can contact with the JVZoo, you can upload, you can list your product on those marketplaces. Because once you have done that, you will get the exposure from other affiliate marketers who will be promoting the product for you, and you will be keep on making the money, because you are doing absolutely nothing. Because as I already said, because once you have created a software, you have created an info product, the product will be there for lifetime. You do not need to create that product again and again. There will be kind of simply they are going to sell the copies, and you will be keep on making money while you are sleeping. So if you have an info product, you can simply get an exposure from the affiliate marketers, JV partners, from the kind of the marketplaces, and you will make a lot of passive income. Okay, a lot of, because let's say you have $100 product, you get 10 affiliates who are going to promote your product, and each of them is going to have an email list of 5,000 people. So that's an extra 50,000 people are going to promote your product. And if only 1% of people of the list are going to buy, you are going to get an extra 500 sales, and you have done literally nothing in that case. So that's so easy. And the ninth method that I want to share with you is the ad agency. You might be thinking, I don't know how to run the ads. Yeah, probably if you do not know, still you can do this. Still you can do this, but how? For example, let's say you are going to reach out to a business owner. You are going to tell him, hey, man, I will be increasing your profit by 50%. How much will you give me? He will say, I will give you 50% of that. If you are going to increase my profit from $100 a day to $200 a day, for it's too short. Let's say if you are going to increase my profit from $1,000 a day to $2,000, then I'm going to give you 50% of those $1,000. That means I will be giving you $500. Okay, whatever the profit you are going to bring me every single day, I'm going to give you 50% of that. So now you have done the contact with the business owner. Now you can simply go to Fiverr, Upwork, or maybe any website, and you can simply tell a guy, hey, there's a business owner with blah 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 name, and you can simply tell him, hey, you need to run ad on this, and I will be paying you kind of kind of whatever the profits we are going to generate from these ads, I will be paying you 25% of that. So you are going to make $500 from there. You can pay $125 to that guy, and you all three are happy because you didn't know how to run the ads. So if that see, you are all, you may be thinking, why cannot I pay him just straight $500 every single month? Because if you are going to do that, that guy will not be running ads to increase the profit. That guy will be running ads just to run ads. But if you are going to tell him that I will be paying 25% of whatever I am going to earn, because I'm going to earn 50% of the profit, and I'm going to pay 25% of that amount to you, so that guy will be keep on doing the more targeted ads. He will be focusing more on the ads so that he can bring more revenue, and finally he will also get the money on that basis. So that is why I believe that you should target him as kind of commission base, because that will encourage him to make more and more sales and will help you to make more and more money. So that is how I think that this is going to be a passive income, because once you are done that guy, place that guy will be running the ads for you, and you will be making the money as a middleman. So now the next method that I want to share with you is the 4%. Basically, what do I mean by 4%? 4% is basically a challenge. Okay, 4% is basically a challenge which will help you to go from zero to $10,000 in sales. Okay, but what you can do actually on the 4%, if you are going to go with the 4%, in the 4% you are going to learn how to create the multiple streams of income. Let's say you are going to promote one product, and that product is of only $100. Okay, so you are going to get 30% of the commission, just $30. That's it. But what if, how you can promote a product, how you can promote a product of the same $100, but that will give you $500. You have just done the task of $100, and you have gotten $500. Just think about it. So that is what you are going to learn in this training, in the 4% success challenge, in just 30 days. My mentor Vic Strizus, okay, he's going to teach you how you can exactly go from zero to $10,000 selling other people's products. Okay, he's also going to start himself from scratch, and he will be sharing with you. You are going to do the effort for $100, and how you can bank $500 at the same time. He will be talking about the multiple streams of income. You are doing the work for one thing, but you are going to make the money from others as well. For example, you do it's kind of the you are recommending someone a training. Okay, and the training is going to provide the tools to them, and what if the money they are going to make from the tools, they are simply going to provide that money to you. Just think about it, the multiple streams of income. He's going to teach you exactly how you can go from zero to $10,000 in sales, even if you are a beginner. So just click the link in the description and get access to this training right now. And also, I'm going to give you the bonus. After you have grabbed this training, simply email me. I will be sending you the bonus as well, because over here there's nothing to lose. This training is also having a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you think it's not for you, after you have taken the training, you can simply place a refund. I really hope that this video has helped you a lot. So just go click the link in the description and get access to the training to make your first $10,000 in sales.